Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to view a chart in full screen mode on Metatrader 5 for PC. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Metatrader 5 application on your computer. Once it launches, you'll see your workspace with various charts and trading tools displayed. Now locate the specific chart you want to view in full screen. This could be any currency pair or financial instrument you're currently analyzing or monitoring. Once you've found your chart, direct your attention to the upper right corner of that particular chart window. You'll notice a small square icon there, which is the full screen button. This icon is specifically designed to expand your chart to take up the entire screen, giving you a much better view of the price action and technical indicators without any distractions from other panels or menus. Go ahead and click on this full screen icon and your chart will immediately expand to occupy your entire screen space. Now there's actually another method to achieve the same result, and it's just as simple. Start by clicking anywhere on the chart you want to view in full screen. This ensures that the chart is selected and active. Next, look at the top menu bar of your Metatrader 5 application. You'll see several menu options there, including File, Edit, View, and others. Click on the View option from this menu bar. This will open a drop-down menu with various display and layout options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Full Screen. This command does exactly the same thing as the icon we used earlier. It expands your selected chart to fill your entire screen, removing all toolbars, panels, and other interface elements temporarily. This gives you a clean, unobstructed view of your chart, which is particularly useful when you need to perform detailed technical analysis or when you want to closely monitor price movements without any visual clutter. And that's it. You now know 2 different ways to view your charts in full screen mode on Metatrader 5, giving you maximum visibility and focus on your trading analysis. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.